Hello everyone. Today we have this question: the integral of 2x square minus 3 all power 5 divided by 2 x cube dx, and we have to integrate this with respect to x. So first of all, we will split this x cube into x square x dx, and then we will suppose 2x square minus 3 equal to u. So u equal to 2x square minus 3, and now we also need the value of x square. So for this purpose we will send this minus 3 on the side of the equation, so this will become u plus 3 and this will come in the division. So overall x square will become u plus 3 divided by 2, like this: x square equal to u plus 3 divided by 2. And now we will differentiate this with respect to x. So when we differentiate this with respect to x, so this will become du equal to d divided by dx, 2x square minus 3. And as we know, the differentiation of 2x square equal to 4x dx, and the differentiation of this constant term equal to 0. So therefore we haven't write 0 over here. So now we basically need the value of x dx. So for this purpose, we will divide by 4 on both sides. So when we divide by 4 on both sides, this 4 will cancel. And here this will become du divided by 4 equal to x dx. Now, if you look over here, we have these all values in term of u, because we have the value of this 2x square minus 3. We have the value of this x square, and we have the value of x dx. So therefore we will put these values. So let's put these values. We will put 2x square minus 3 equal to u. So this will become u power 5 divided by 2. And similarly, we will put x square equal to u plus 3 divided by 2, u plus 3 divided by 2. And similarly, we will put this x dx equal to x dx equal to du divided by 4, du divided by 4. And now we will multiply this u power 5 divided by 2 with these two values, and we will multiply this 2 and 4. So this 2 times 4 equal to 8. So this will come out of the integration. So this will become 1 over 8. And when we multiply u power 5 divided by 2 with this u power 1, here the power is 1. So according to exponent rule, when these two base are in multiplication, then we can add their power. So it means that we will add 5 divided by 2 plus 1. So basically 5 divided by 2 plus 1 equal to 7 divided by 2. And here this will become 3u power 5 divided by 2, and this du, because we have multiplied these 2 and 4, and it is equal to 1 divided by 8. So here we will have du. And now we will differentiate this with respect to u. So when we differentiate, so this 1 over 8, and differentiation of this u power 7 divided by 2 means that we will add plus 1 over here, and we will write this whole value in division over here. So it will become u power 7 divided by 2 plus 1, and divided by 7 divided by 2 plus 1. And similarly this 3 and this u 5 divided by 2 plus 1, and in division 5 divided by 2 plus 1. And then we will add 7 divided by 2 plus 1, which is equal to 9 divided by 2. And similarly this will become 9 divided by 2 over here. And here also this 5 divided by 2 plus 1 equal to 7 divided by 2. And now this 9 divided by 2 will flip, and this 2 will come here, and similarly this 2 will come over here. So then we will take this 2 common from here. So overall this equation will become 2 divided by 8, and here the remaining term will be 9, and here the remaining term will be 7. So we can write this equation like this, and then we will put back our supposition, which was u equal to 2x square minus 3. So we will put u equal to 2x square minus 3. So after putting u equal to 2x square minus 3, so this equation will become like this: here 1 divided by 4, and here 2x square minus 3 power 9 divided by 2. And similarly here this u will become 2x square minus 3 and power 7 divided by 2 divided by 7. and then we will multiply this 4 with this 9, so this will become 1 divided by 36, and that's 2x square minus 3 power 9 divided by 2. And similarly we will multiply this 4 with this 7, so this will become 28, and this 3, so this will become 3 divided by 28, 2x square minus 3 and power 7 divided by 2 plus c. And this is the answer of our question. This is the solution of our question, and we have missed something over here. Here after integration, as you know, we will write c, so we will write c over here, and similarly we will write c over here, because after integration we will write c. So this c is for the constant term, and as we have differentiated the value where we have 2x square minus 3, and for 3 we have written 0 because the differentiation of constant term equal to 0. So for this, for that constant term we will write in the integration the constant term, so therefore c is written, so this c, so I have missed over here which I have written over here. So you can see that this is the answer of this question. You can see, I hope you will have understand the solution of this question. Moreover, if you have any kind of question regarding this solution, you can also ask me in comment section. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Take care.